Well, here we are inside a BMW 123 diesel and we are mapping it. I'm currently flashing using the CMD tool, which is here. We have got EGR off, DPF off, and a swirl flap delete, and we're going for a pretty medium tune. We're not going to go all out on this one because it's done a few miles, to be fair, and yeah, and it's seen better days, but it has passed health checks. It's a little bit laggy, so whilst it has passed health checks, I think it's a little bit tired, but it's going to do well. We know it is. So yeah, so let's get another power run done. Everybody loves Homer Simpson. Don't. Yep. Well, as you can see, we're fairly convinced that our first turbo on this BMW is not working. You can't map round a hardware issue. So that's the end of play today. And we're gonna have to book him in and get that fixed.
Pretty fast.